Hello students, let's continue our chapter Congruency of Triangles. In this video, we are going to discuss different conditions for congruency of two triangles. First is side-side-side congruency condition. According to this condition, if the three sides of a triangle are respectively equal to the three corresponding sides of the other triangle, then the two triangles are congruent to each other. Means if we gave several people three sticks of measure 5 centimeter, 7 centimeter and 9 centimeter long, they would each only be able to make the exact same triangle. Let's solve one example based on this condition. Here two triangles ABC and XYZ are given. If we want to prove them congruent, first of all we will check their corresponding matching items. Here measure of AB equal to XZ, measure of BC equal to ZY and measure of AC equal to XY. So we can say that these two triangles are congruent by using the rule side side side. Next condition is side angle side condition. According to this, two matching sides have equal length and the angle between these two sides is the same, then the triangles are congruent and vice versa. We can prove these two triangles are congruent by using this rule because here in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, measure of AB equal to measure of PQ and measure of BC equal to measure of QR and the measure of angle B equal to angle Q. So we can say that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR by using rule side angle side. Next rule is angle angle side. According to this rule, two triangles are congruent if two matching angles are equal and one matching side is the same length in both triangles. Next is angle side angle rule, as it is a part of angle angle side rule. The order of the angle angle side rule is not important, but according to this condition, if two angles and the included side of one triangle are respectively equal to the corresponding two angles and the included side of the other triangle, then the triangles are congruent and vice versa. You can see in the given figure here triangle ABC and in triangle DEF. Angle A is congruent to angle D, angle B is congruent to angle E and the included side AB equal to DE. So we can say that these two triangles are congruent by using angle side angle rule. And one more important thing is we don't have any side side angles correspondence and angle 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 correspondence rule. Next is RHS for right angle triangles. According to this, two right angled triangles are congruent if the hypotenuse and the one matching side are equal in length. Let's solve one example based on this property. Here, triangle XYZ is an isosceles triangle such that XY equal to XZ. Prove that the altitude XO from X on YZ bisect YZ. For this, first of all, we will prove triangle XOY and triangle XOZ are congruent. As we know that these two triangles are right angled triangle because angle XOY and angle XOZ are of 90 degree and XY equal to XZ it is given and XO equal to OX common. So in this way we can say that these two triangles are congruent by using rule RHS. Hence YO equal to ZO by using CPCT rule, means corresponding parts of congruent triangle. I hope you understand it well. Thank you.